Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious curry goat in a pressure cooker. First, prepare your goat meat by cutting it into 2-inch pieces. Marinate the meat with a blend of curry powder, allspice, thyme, and a Scotch bonnet pepper for at least 2 hours or preferably overnight. This crucial step infuses the meat with deep flavor. Next, chop 1 large onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and 1 inch of fresh ginger, setting them aside for later. Now, let's build those foundational flavors. Heat a tablespoon of oil in your pressure cooker on the sauté setting. Brown the marinated goat meat in batches until it's lightly colored on all sides, then remove it and set aside. Next, add the chopped onion, garlic, and ginger to the pot, sautéing until they are fragrant and softened, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Stir in your curry powder and other dry spices, toasting them for about 1 minute to release their aromas. It's time for the pressure cooking magic. Return the browned goat meat to the pot with the sautéed aromatics and toasted spices. Pour in 2 cups of water or chicken broth, ensuring the liquid covers most of the meat. Secure the lid on your pressure cooker and set it to cook on high pressure for 45 minutes. Once the cooking cycle is complete, allow the pressure to release naturally for 10 to 15 minutes before carefully opening the lid. This helps keep the meat incredibly tender. Almost ready to enjoy. If you like, stir in some chopped potatoes or carrots and cook for an additional 10 minutes until they are tender. Taste the curry and adjust the seasoning as needed, adding salt or more spice to your preference. For a richer, creamier texture, you can stir in a splash of coconut milk at this stage. Serve your delicious, tender curry goat hot with fluffy rice, warm roti, or any of your favorite side dishes. Enjoy this flavorful, comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.